Very good morning, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Today I will show you how to get the update of our indicator. Suppose you have already subscribed to our indicator and our indicator will be there on your screen. Like this, it will be on your screen. Okay. If you are releasing any updates and most of you are telling that I'm not getting the update. I don't know how to get the update. It is very simple. What you have to do, you please listen to me carefully what I'm going to do. So here there will be one X button that we call it as cancel button or close button or remove button. So here in this indicator at the last, okay, here you can see this remove button. You just remove this. After removing, go to this indicator, this portion. Okay, I'm just marking through an arrow. Here indicator. Go here and select favorite. In the favorite, our indicator will be available once you have subscribed. Just give one click. Just give one click. That is enough. So now you go and see here whatever updates we have given. So all those updates will be available here. See this latest by just 2 days before we have added this latest update. It will show you the previous day close, low, high, pivot point, today open, previous day VP value. So all those updates we have updated. That's all. So this is how we have to do the update automatically. It is very simple. I repeat. So your indicator will be available on your chart if you have subscribed. Go here and give this remove button. Click onto this remove button and again add from the favorite. Go to indicator and go to favorite, then select the indicator from the favorite. That's all. Now you will get the updated indicator. Okay. Thank you all. Please do it. If you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe and encourage all your trading friends to subscribe and watch our YouTube channel. Thank you all. Bye bye.